Hey guys, happy Monday. This Nerissa again. To say hi and giving y'all update on Lambda and everything. Uh, this is my week 4, but at the same time, I haven't been uh passing my challenges. So for their best interest in minds, they put me back to the next class is coming up, which is the 28th of May. So I get a do-over for the first week because I couldn't pass the first week challenge. Um, in a way, I want to talk about this, but I mean, it's just me, y'all. And I think I'm putting too much pressure on myself because I'm not understanding the material. And at the same time, like I said, I'm a job like beginner. I mean, I've been coding or learning how to code for the past couple months, like hard, like since March, since I stopped working at, where I stopped working at. I think I can say it now. I don't care. I used to work at Amazon, but anyway, since I started working at Amazon, everybody like, oh, get a job. You can find a job. Yo, for one thing, I'm 43. For another thing, like I said, you know, I suffer from bipolar. I don't try to use it as no excuse or no crutch, but y'all, I done quit jobs. So my job status right now is I'm a Lambda School student. So yeah, they put me back. At first, I was hating everybody because I was like, why did they put me back? I'm dumb. You name it. I'm going through it. People saying, oh, imposter syndrome, whatever. It's just like, I'm not, like, all of a sudden, my mind just went blank and I'm not catching on. And I'm like, oh my God. And I'm like, I'm falling behind. I'm asking for people. And then people are like, oh, that's easy. And I'm getting stuff like that. And that's making me more frustrated. I'm not blaming it. I got a woosah. You know what I'm saying? I got a woosah. But it's just making me so mad because I'm like, in a way, I'm not talking bad about Lambda because I like Lambda, but my whole thing is like y'all should have tutors, like straight up one-on-one tutors. If you got 200 people in your class, somebody ain't gonna get everything them 200 people won't get. And I just feel like you should have like little backups for the ones who's not catching on. But I know this is coding boot camp and it's intense and it's so many weeks. It's like for Lambda it's like 9 months, so it's like it's intense every week. But at the same time, if I feel like if you're gonna pay at the end, I need to know everything. I can't just be rushed through and oh well, I figure out as I go. Cause I figure out the next week. If you don't know one week, then how can you get through the next week? So, I'm just gonna study and go on YouTube and get a better understanding of HTML and CSS and JavaScript and see where this lands me. But like I said, I'm being positive. I'm trying to stay focused. I'm trying to woo-saw and everything. Because I get agitated real quick and I get frustrated real quick. I know that's not good for a coding person or whatever, but like I said, I'm trying to work through that too. So at the same time, bettering myself and bettering others by having patience, I guess. This week, I call this having patience and learning to trust and believe in yourself. So, because right now, I'm 2 seconds about quitting, and I know I shouldn't quit, because where else I got to go but Home Depot, Target, or wherever else I got supposed to go, or find a job, which I know I can't work no more, because it's simple fact, I done worked there before. I'm that person that had about 100 jobs and quit like in 2 weeks. That's me. So at this right point in my life, I'm 43. Like I said, I need a career. I need to stop doing all this little girl shit. I mean, I'm gonna put my big girl pants on and rock the hell out of this shit. So, like, we have study groups and they are so positive right now and they help me through this because, like I said, it's more stuff to this than just the coding that's going on with me right now. So, and I got that to worry about in this, and I'm like, yo, so don't mind me. I mean, I'm not saying I'm not the best reviewer for Lambda School. I really love Lambda School because my last PM, which is a project manager, you report to them after the end of the day to tell you how your day was, what you need, what you struggling with and stuff like that. Man, he was so nice. He stayed, I think, trying to help me figure this out like almost 2 hours straight on the thing. And I know he didn't have to. And like I said, it's 2 different time zones, and you know what I mean? And he was just wonderful helping me. His name is Frank. His PM Frank. I'm shouting you out, man. I love you, man. Because, like, he really helped me through it. And he was like, I know you got this. You can do this. I just got to study and focus. Because, like I said, I do 1,000,001 things, man. Like, right now, I still got school going on. Because I was going to school since September for digital art. Honey, I'm like slimly passing by that. So I think I'm focusing on too much things, and I need to focus on one thing. And like I said, that's my problem. I got to focus on one thing. Because like I said, I got schoolwork due at the end of the week. Then I got to pass a challenge at the end of the week. Then at the same time, I'm like, what am I doing? It's either school or code, and I hate to say that, but I can't focus on two things, so it's gonna have to be coding. So what I might do is, like, I'm supposed to start summer classes for college. I go to UMUC online for digital communications. I was thinking about marketing, then I switched over. I know I'm rambling on off. It's Monday morning, no coffee. I'm sorry, y'all. But no, but I really do like Lambda, and I really think I can get this. I just gotta get over my personal hump. You know what I mean? So it's not me bashing the school, because I think the school is great. It give you structure. I don't care. I'm that person that needs structure right now. Call me dumb, self-taught. I try to self-taught, and I'm going in circles because I'm not doing no projects. At least here, I'm working with projects. I'm putting something on my GitHub. I'm learning JavaScript really. I'm learning HTML really. I'm learning CSS really. Than just watching a video on YouTube. You know what I mean? I guess I learn better by somebody being in my face and making me accountable. That's just me. So, I mean, if you're not like that, I'm not saying nothing wrong with self-taught, because that's what I was doing before I started doing this. So, but I know myself, so it's just me. Like I said, I got other issues, y'all, so but I love y'all. And like I said, I like Lambda School. They got a good curriculum, because, like, they could have kicked my butt out of there 2 weeks ago and say, you don't know this stuff. Come back when you know it, you know? So they give me another chance. So they give me another go-round. And I really appreciate it. And I'm not going to mess this up, y'all, because this week I'm going straight go hard. Like, go hard. Try to get projects up. I made a goal list. Try to get projects up on GitHub. Learn I can't even say it right now, but flexbox better. And HTML, the structure, the semantics of HTML. Just really get to know that. I'm about to be guru HTML, CSS. I might make a video on flexbox, because I'm about to learn that sucker like I should know it, okay? So it's going to be on. I know I'm just rambling, y'all, and I said I was going to give y'all an update, but I got to start back over. So May 28th again is my start date again for Lambda. So I'm gonna keep y'all abreast. I'll probably do another video maybe Friday to tell you what I've been up to for the week since I'm not in school like I was. Because before, the school is like, for East Coast, it's from 11 at night. I'm sorry, 11 at night, Lord. 11 in the morning to 8 at night. So basically, you know, it takes your whole day away. So how can you really work? But at the same time, I know this is something at the other side. I just need to bust through that door. Bust through the door. Bust through the door and woosah. So that's my tip for today. Woosah, believe in yourself, and keep learning. So I ain't gonna make this video too much longer. I just want to say thank you guys for still watching, still supporting me through my coding journey. So God bless y'all, and y'all have a good week. I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all.